Hi, Irene here with you from Adroit Architecture. Are you looking for a house plan that you can build on a tight budget? Join me as we look at the budget 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. A small house plan does not have to be plain and unappealing. The budget 3-bedroom house plan hits the sweet spot of simplicity and compactness with a lot of style and character. The shed roof and the big windows give this house plan a crisp and modern feel. This house plan has a few key features we would like to highlight. Standing at only 100 square meters, it is a good house plan for somebody on a tight budget. It makes a great beginner's house plan. It is also a good house plan if you want to build a house up country and you're just looking for something small and simple. This house plan is also great when you're working with a small piece of land. If you have a 40 feet by 60 feet piece of land that is 12 meters by 18 meters, it is just right for that. The house plan also has plenty of big windows all around. This makes the house feel very airy and very well lit. This house plan has a plinth dimension of 7.5 meters by 13.6 meters. This small footprint is what allows you to use a very small piece of land to build your home. You can save up on your land, use a very small piece of land to build your home, and use the rest of your land for other uses. It will allow you to have parking space, a kitchen garden, a play area. You can even tuck in a small servant's quarter at the back without a problem. A small front porch leads into the inside of the house. The living room and the dining room stand side by side in an open plan setup. The open plan setup allows for ease of movement between the two spaces. This being a small house plan, the open plan style makes it feel more spacious, taking advantage of the floor area without any dividing walls between the two spaces. Did I mention porches and terraces? Another terrace is located on the other side of the house, right outside the kitchen. The kitchen sits right behind the dining area with a serving hatch between the two rooms. The modest kitchen provides just enough space to meet the needs of a small family. High-level and low-level storage cabinets have been provided in the kitchen. A door from the kitchen opens to a small kitchen yard on one side of the house. We have 2 equal-sized bedrooms that are modest in size but big enough to fit 2 single beds. We have provided enough closet space in both bedrooms. The bathroom and toilet are separate from each other, with the sink area provided on the outside. The separate bathroom and toilet make it easy for these spaces to be shared between the 2 bedrooms and any guests who are in your house. The modest-sized ensuite master bedroom is tucked at the farthest corner of the house to maximize on privacy. The private bathroom serving the master bedroom has a shower cubicle, a bathroom, and a toilet, of course with a sink. The construction budget we give is always based on the rates provided by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. The institute provides current construction guidelines for various parts of the country. For low-level to mid-level finishes, the range given is 25,000 to 35,000 Kenya shillings, that is 250 to 350 US dollars per square meter. So to build this house plan that stands at 100 square meters, the estimate cost of construction is between 2.5 million to 3.5 million Kenya shillings. We always customize each of our house plans for our clients. Everyone's needs, budget, and space requirements are different, so we always tweak our house plans to fit exactly what the client wants. So if you like this house plan but you would like to tweak a few things, we can do that for you. So there you have it. That is the budget 3-bedroom house plan. If you like this house plan or any of our other house plans, don't forget to get in touch with us. Please comment below if you have any questions. Get in touch with us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in our next video.